Ever wondered about crawl space encapsulation? This seemingly obscure topic might just be the home improvement solution you never knew you needed. So let's dive into the world of crawl space encapsulation and unveil its numerous benefits. Picture this. A homeowner, we'll call him Bill, was constantly battling musty odors and high humidity levels in his home. He was also spending a small fortune on his energy bills. Then, he discovered crawl space encapsulation. Post-encapsulation, Bill couldn't believe the difference. He shared, "The musty smell is completely gone. My home feels fresher and I've noticed a significant drop in my energy bills." Not only did encapsulation solve his immediate problems, but it also prevented potential long-term issues like structural damage and mold growth. But Bill isn't alone in his satisfaction. Meet Susan, a homeowner who was dealing with constant allergies. She said, "Ever since the crawl space got encapsulated, I've seen a drastic reduction in my allergy symptoms. I can breathe easier and I'm not constantly reaching for tissues anymore." Crawl space encapsulation is more than a quick fix. It's a long-term solution. Take it from Patrick, who said, "I was initially skeptical, but 2 years post-encapsulation my crawl space is still dry and mold-free. My home's foundation is protected and so is my family's health." So what makes crawl space encapsulation so effective? It's all about creating a moisture barrier. By sealing off the crawl space completely, it prevents moisture from seeping in. This eliminates the perfect breeding ground for mold, mildew, and pests. And the benefits don't stop there. By controlling the humidity levels, it can also reduce energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills. Now you might be wondering, is this something I can do myself? While there are DIY options available, professional encapsulation ensures a thorough job, addressing not just the visible issues but also the hidden ones. It's an investment in your home's health and longevity. In the words of another satisfied customer, Laura, "Hiring professionals to encapsulate my crawl space was one of the best decisions I've made for my home. Not only is my home healthier and more comfortable, but I've also seen a return on my investment with lower energy bills and fewer repair needs." So, if you're tired of battling musty odors, high humidity, and constant allergies, or if you simply want to protect your home and reduce your energy consumption, consider crawl space encapsulation. It's an investment pays for itself in the long run, improving your home's health, comfort, and value. Don't just take our word for Bill, Susan, Patrick, and Laura. They've experienced the benefits firsthand. Now it's your turn to make a wise decision for your home. Take the first step towards a healthier, more energy-efficient home by considering crawl space encapsulation. It could be the home improvement solution you've been searching for. For more information, contact Attic and Crawlspace Solutions. Want to know more about crawl space encapsulation? Your journey towards a healthier, more energy-efficient home begins at Attic and Crawlspace Solution. As professionals in the field, they offer top-notch crawl space encapsulation services, ensuring that your home stays dry, clean, and comfortable. To find out more about how they can help you, visit their website at "Don't let your crawl space be a problem anymore." Visit Attic and Crawlspace Solution for all your crawl space encapsulation needs.